Hey guys, thought I'd give you a quick overview of phase one of this four-phase layout. This section here is basically going to be heavy industrial related activities. Nothing that's in place right now as you see it is really going to be permanent. I just have things laid out so I can have a general idea of where things need to be placed. This section right here is about 21 feet long, 11 feet wide. This is going to be like a downtown industrial related city. I've got a bunch of floodlights here on the ceiling. I cleaned the ceiling, painted it all black, put in track lighting. What you see here in the roof, if you can see it in the light, there's a section of the floor joist that's been covered up with plywood and it's got a bunch of holes in it. This is actually a smoke exhaustion device. I have a fan that I turn on. It basically slowly sucks all of the smoke generated by all the engines up through those holes, and it comes out over here through this charcoal filter that's cleanable. This section of the layout, I would say, is about 30% complete. There's a heck of a lot of work left to do. This is my engine shed. Just finished building it and weathering it. Thanks to the Atlas guys for getting me the extra internal parts so I can make it beefier. We have a little gantry crane section here. In the rail yard, still have to set it all up. Over here to my left is work in progress. It's basically going to be an oil refinery, oil distribution and maintenance center. Finished building my two Atlas bridges and weathering them and getting them set on their pylons there. You can see all of my manual switch controls for all the switches. The layout's got over 100 switches on it. I still have to wire it up to my AIU so I can control these manually. Over here we have the Morrison doors factory. I've got all these piles of lumber in the yard here for the factory. Over here I have refined oil distribution tanks. Heavy oil industrial from the refinery activity over in here. Over here I've got a factory. The trains go under that cantilevered section there. And as we swing around to the left, this is heading into phase two of the layout. I'm going to start laying track here in the next week or two. You can see right now I'm using it pretty much for storage of all of my switches. I've got my roundhouse there that I've got together, and I have to install my Millhouse Studio turntable yet, still in that area. So what you see here is the result of about 2 years worth of work. Of course, all you model railroaders clearly understand how long it takes to put stuff like this together. More switches in the front there for this section. I've got to finish building the rock face on the other side of this incline. This is all pink foam that I carved up and painted. It's just a little outdoor construction site going on here. Got a bunch of pipe that is going to be laid in the ground. I still haven't brought in the excavators and the backhoe tractors and all the dirt that's going to go in this area for this activity.